In this GlowShift Gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a Boost Bolt thread adapter made for 1998.5 to 2007.5 Dodge Ram 5.9-liter 24-valve Cummins trucks. This Boost Bolt adapter replaces a factory bolt and threads directly into the intake manifold. The adapter allows you to easily install the electronic boost sensor or brass compression fitting included with your GlowShift Boost gauge. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Remove the air intake horn bolt from the middle of the intake manifold using a 10mm socket and extension. Thread the boost bolt into the intake manifold and torque to 10 foot-pounds using a torque wrench and a 17mm socket. Install your gauge's supplied electronic boost sensor using a 22mm wrench, or install the supplied compression fitting using an 11mm wrench. Please be sure to use Teflon tape on the 1/8 27 NPT compression fitting threads to ensure a tight seal. Connect the wiring harness to the electronic sensor or connect the boost line to the compression fitting using a 3/8-inch wrench. Ensure you connect the other end of the boost line or sensor harness to the back of the gauge. You've now successfully installed your Boost Bolt thread adapter for the 1998.5 to 2007.5 Dodge Ram 5.9-liter 24-valve Cummins. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.